Hi there and welcome to another session of Business Studies for the 12th Standard with me, Vishwanath sir. We shall continue from where we last left off. We are with nature and significance of management in the revision mode. Okay, last time we did the levels of management, the top, middle and the lower level, which was also known as the supervisory level or the operational management. Today we will pick out a few questions and case studies on the basis of that and go further with the topic. The question here is, ABC group of companies decide to donate 2% of its sales to the Child Rights and Youth, that is CRY, for improving the conditions of the children in India. This initiative by the company was highly appreciated by the public and their sales increased by 10%. Identify the objective of the management depicted in the above case. So what have they done? They have donated something to CRY, that is the Child Rights and Youth, and because of this their sales has increased by 10%, and they have told you in the question, identify the objective of the management which is depicted in the given case. Okay, so the objective you can tell is a social objective because it is connected to the society. So it is a social objective of management. Okay, from here we go to the next question. The next question is, the management of Alpha Limited has installed a special recycling plant to recycle the waste instead of dumping it in the ground. It has also provided employment opportunities to the local residents. The company started a school nearby for the children of the employees. Identify the objective of the management which the company is fulfilling. Okay, so what are they doing? They are recycling the waste, so the pollution control levels are reduced or maintained. The employment opportunity is given, and they also start a school for the children of their organization. So you can tell this is again a social objective of the management because they are concerned with the society at large. Okay. From here I go to the next case. The next case, the manager of Beta Limited is very efficient and effective and makes sure that all the employees and the workers in his team perform the task on time with minimum cost. His main focus is on cost reduction. So he never listens to the demand for the workers for increasing wages. He even gives no opportunity to the workers for promotion. As a result, the workers have started becoming frustrated and disheartened all the time. Which objective of the management could not be achieved by the manager? Okay, so he's doing a good job, but the employees, the people who are working under him are not happy. They are not getting increased wages, nor are they getting any opportunity for promotion, and the workers have become frustrated because of this. So this objective is known as personal objectives. What objective is this? This is personal objective. Fine, which has been not achieved by the manager because he has not looked into the increase of wages and the promotion of the workers. Okay, from here I go to the next case studies where XYZ Power Limited set up a factory for manufacturing solar lanterns in a remote village where there was no reliable supply of electricity. The revenue earned by the company was sufficient to cover the cost and the risk. The demand for lanterns were increasing day by day, so the company decided to increase the production to generate higher sales. For this, they decided to employ people from the nearby villages to provide them job opportunities available in that area. The company also decided to open schools and creches for children of their employees. Okay, So they went in for all-round development. They saw to it people were employed. They saw to it that the schooling opportunities were there for them. They also provided creche opportunities for the employees. So the children of the employees. So it became better for them. You have to identify the objectives of management which is discussed, and also quote the lines. So quote the lines are important. So first you can tell the organization is fulfilling organizational as well as social objectives. So it is fulfilling these. What are the organizational objectives? Which include survival, growth and profit. In order to survive, XYZ earns enough revenue. Company profits are sufficient to cover the cost. Since the demand for lanterns was increasing day by day, the company decided to increase the production to generate higher sales. It implies that the company exploits the resources fully for growth potential. Social objectives, basically for the benefit of the society, where they have employed people, creches for the employees, school for the children of the employees. Okay, and these are certain things which they have provided. So these are social objectives. The next question is, H Tech Limited is a company producing IT services. The company's profits are enough for survival and growth. The company believes that a satisfied employee creates a satisfied customer, who in turn creates the profits, which leads to satisfied workforce. So to pay competitive salaries and perks to all its employees, all the employees are also happy working in the organization because of the personal growth and development. The company has a strong sense of social responsibility. It set up an engineering college in which 1/3 of the students are girls, and the company gives 50% scholarship. Is the management of H Tech Limited fulfilling its objectives? Justify your answer by quoting the lines. Okay, so they have done many things, so it's but natural, yes, they are fulfilling the objectives. Which objectives? Organizational, social and personal. So where do we come across organizational objectives? They are basically there for survival, growth and profit. Okay, this is enough for them to survive and grow. Social objectives are basically the creation of the benefits or economic values to the society, and they have set up an engineering college where 50% of the seats are there for the girls. Personal objectives, it pays competitive salaries and perks to the employees. All the employees are happy working in that organization because of personal growth and development. So this is a personal objective. So it has covered 3 objectives in this case. Okay. Now I go to the next case study. The next case study is Rajiv Automobiles aims to produce and sells 1 lakh cars in 2019. To achieve this objective, the production department strives for timely production, and sales department takes all possible steps to sell them. Due to the combined efforts of all the departments, the company is able to achieve its target. Which significance of management is highlighted in the above case? So we are talking about Rajiv Automobiles, which is selling 1 lakh cars, and in the process the production department is doing the production timely, and the sales department is also taking the possible steps that the cars get sold. Okay, and if you are talking about significance of management here, it is management helps in achieving group goals. Okay, it helps in achieving group goals. Okay, from here I take up one more case study. Fashion India Limited, a chain of ladies garments boutiques, which most of the work is done manually. Due to the coming international brands in India, the company is finding it difficult to compete on 2 fronts. One is finishing and the other is embroidery. The production manager realized that without modern machinery it would not be possible for them to last long. The company purchased high-tech modern machines from Germany. During the production process, the manager observed that the quality of production is not as per the standard, and very often production is disrupted due to breakdown of machinery. The workers get frustrated by the continuous rejection of output and started showing resistance to new technology. To increase the efficiency of the workers, the company decided to train its people on job, and they created a positive impact, and everybody was keen to learn. Identify 3 points which is highlighted by the management by quoting the lines. Number 1, the management increases efficiency, that means they are going to do well. Secondly, the management helps in achieving personal objectives, even that is done. Okay, so these and much more, this is something which you need to dwell, something which you need to look into. Okay, so kindly go through these case studies and be more thorough with this topic in general. Thank you so much. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.